Champion generator, the 2200 watt European version of the American 2500 watt. I'm using this generator for tire warmers on my motorcycle, so I waste less time on the track getting my tires up to temp, up to speed. Also, I'm using this for Armageddon situations. I wish this was the multi-fuel one, which they have on Amazon in the States, linked below. Nonetheless, watch this video as I open box, put some oil in it, first start breaking it in, and maybe at the end of the video I'll give some of my thoughts, see how I feel. Yeah, if your organization or observation skills are better than mine, you'll notice this thing comes open box with a funnel that you can use to fill this generator up with the oil that has been supplied. Unlike me, I left my funnels in the workshop, forgot to bring them to my at-home shop, so I had to fabricate a funnel out of a water bottle. Congratulations, me. I did get this job done. I did get it to the dipstick level. And now moving on. There is a break-in procedure at the time of me editing this video. I can't remember what it says in the manual, though in the cobwebs of my memory, I do remember them talking about don't put max power, don't take advantage of the max 22 or 2500 watts until you've broken this thing in. Good thing I'm only using 1000 watts with those tire warmers. Anyways, if you've made it this far in the video, watching the riveting footage of me put the cover back on, I'll have you know that I'm impressed with this machine that is basically one pull. Put the fuel in, put the oil in, and it started right up. All right, we're almost to the conclusion of this video where I'll show how I'm going to be using this generator out in the field. Just connecting the two tire warmer plugs, turning it on, and away we go. Though I wish this generator would make me a better motorcycle rider on the track, it won't. But what it does give me is a peace of mind, a little bit of safety that for those first 2 laps, especially on a cold day, I'm not going to lose traction because going up my past track day videos, you'll see that especially early in the year, it's easy to lose that traction if you don't get those tires warmed. And as a novice like I am, that's something that is a reality. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, a like, comment, subscribe, and I'm just gonna keep on playing this video so to show you how I'm getting passed left and right by all the advanced riders. So try not to critique me too much on my motorcycle ability. I have gotten better since this video.